In the wild, a thrilling encounter unfolds between two ancient adversaries, the mongoose and the cobra. With lightning-fast reflexes and cunning tactics, the fearless mongoose confronts the venomous cobra. Their agility, speed and sharp claws make them skilled hunters, able to outmaneuver their slithery prey. Mongooses possess a unique combination of physical and behavioral traits that enable them to tackle the cobra's deadly venom. With a swift and deadly bite, the mongoose seizes its opportunity, claiming victory and turning the cobra into a satisfying meal.